Good morning, students. Hope you all enjoyed your Diwali vacation. Now it's time to get back to the studies. We'll continue with the same topic, that is, issue of debentures from the point of view of redemption. Here is the question. AB Limited issued 5 lakh 7% debentures of rupees 50 each, passed the journal entries in the books of the company for the issue of debentures when debentures were. Here the first case is issued at par, redeemable at 8% premium. So we have number of debentures 5 lakh. Face value of debenture is rupees 50 each and it is redeemable at 8% premium. So 8% of 50 rupees is 4 rupees. That means 4 rupees extra we are going to pay at the time of redemption. So amount will be like this. Issued at par means issued at face value. So issued at rupees 50. Redeemable at rupees 54. 4 rupees extra we are giving. So redeemable at rupees 54. Now journal entry. This is issued at par, redeemable at premium. Bank account debit to debenture application account. Amount is 2 crore 50 lakhs. How we got this amount? See, number of debentures we have 5 lakhs multiplied by, it is issued at rupees 50 each. So 5 lakh into 50, we got 2 crore 50 lakhs. Second entry, debenture application and allotment account debit. Loss on issue of debentures account debit because it is redeemable at premium. That's why loss will be debited. To 7% debentures account. To premium on redemption of debentures account. Debenture application allotment you will write the same amount, that is 2 crore 50 lakhs, that issued amount you will write here. Loss कितने का हुआ है? 4 rupees extra we are paying it off. Okay, so 5 lakh into 4 is 20 lakhs in front of loss. Then to 7% debentures account, I told you to write the face value. So 5 lakh into 50, we got 2 crore 50 lakhs. To premium on redemption of debentures account, same amount 20 lakhs. Alright, so this was the first case. Now our second case is issued at 4% premium, redeemable at 5% premium. Face value is rupees 50. So issued at 4% premium means 4% of 50 rupees is 2 rupees. That means issued at rupees 52. 50 plus 2, 52. Redeemable at 52.5 rupees. 5% premium. So 50 ka 5% is 2.5. You will add the amount with the face value. So here it is redeemable at 52.5 rupees. Journal entry. Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. Amount we got 2 crore 60 lakhs. How we got this amount? 5 lakh is our number of debentures into issued price is 52. 5 lakh into 52 rupees, we got 2 crore 60 lakhs. Second entry, because it is redeemable at premium, debenture application and allotment account debit 2 crore 60 lakhs. Loss on issue of debentures account debit 12 lakh 50,000. How we got this amount? See, फेस वैल्यू इज 50 रुपीज एंड रीपेमेंट के टाइम पे हमें कितना पे करना है 52.5. कितना एक्स्ट्रा आप पे करो दैट विल बी योर लॉस, दैट इज 2.5. ऑलराइट, सो 5 lakh into 2.5 we got 12 lakh 50,000. Then to 7% debentures account face value 5 lakh into 50 rupees we got 2 crore 50 lakhs. To security premium reserve account 10 lakhs. सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम रिजर्व 2 rupees एक्स्ट्रा जो है, दिस इज अ प्रीमियम. सो 5 lakh into 2 we got 10 lakhs. Then to premium on redemption of debentures, same value which we have written in loss, that is 12 lakh 50,000. Third case, issued at 5% premium, redeemable at par. That means issued at rupees 52.5, redeemable at rupees 50. First entry, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. Amount 5 lakh, that is number of debentures, into rupees 52.5, that is the issued price. We got 2 crore 62 lakh 50,000. Second entry will be debenture application and allotment account debit to 7% debentures account to securities premium reserve account. Debenture application allotment, you will write the same amount, that is the issued price amount, 2 crore 62 lakh 50,000. To 7% debentures account, we will write the face value, 5 lakh into 50, we got 2 crore 50 lakhs. To security premium reserve, 5 lakh into 2.5, that is 12 lakh 50,000. Next question now. Pass necessary journal entries for issue of debentures for the following. First case, Mahima Limited issued 1,500 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 10%, redeemable at a premium of 5%. So here debentures issued at discount, 10% of 100 rupees is 10 rupees. You will subtract the amount of discount. 100 minus 10 is 90. That means debentures issued at rupees 90 and redeemable at 5% premium. 100 rupees ka 5% is 5 rupees. Premium amount, as we know, we add. So 100 plus 5, 105 rupees. That means debentures issued at rupees 90 and redeemable at 105. First entry, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. Amount 1500 into issued price, that is 90. So amount we got 1,35,000. Second entry, debenture application and allotment account debit, loss on issue of debentures account debit to 12% debentures account to premium on redemption of debentures account. Students, here instead of writing discount and loss separately, they have together sum up the amount and written in front of loss. So debenture application and allotment account debit 1,35,000. Loss will be, see, discount amount is 10 rupees plus premium आप कितना एक्स्ट्रा पे करोगे 5. Total loss of rupees 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. So that's how we got 22,500. 1,500 multiplied by 15 in front of loss. To 12% debentures account, 1,50,000 face value, that is 100 into 1,500, we got 1,50,000. To premium on redemption of debentures, 7,500. This 5 rupees premium multiplied by 1,500, we got 7,500. Instead of the second entry, you can write the alternative, that is debenture application and allotment account debit 1,35,000. Discount on issue of debentures account debit, discount कितना है आपके पास 10 rupees, 10 into 1,500, 15,000. Loss on issue of debentures account debit 7,500. To 12% debentures account 1,50,000. To premium on redemption of debentures account 7,500. See, in this manner, debenture application and allotment account debit 1,35,000. Discount on issue of debentures account debit 15,000. 1,500 into 10 rupees discount, we got 15,000. Then loss on issue of debentures account debit 7,500. 1,500 into 5, that premium. So 7,500 to 12% debentures account 1,50,000 to premium on redemption of debentures 7,500. So what they did, instead of writing these two accounts separately, discount and loss, they have sum up So 22,500 they have written in front of loss. So whichever is easy for you, you can pass that entry. First one will remain the same, bank to debenture application and allotment account. Second entry, either loss and sum up of discount and loss, or you can write in this way also. Next, Aisha Limited issued 1,600 debentures, 9% debentures of ₹100 each at a premium of ₹20 per debenture, redeemable at a premium of ₹10 per debenture. That means issued at ₹120, redeemable at ₹110. Journal entry. First, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. 1,600 into 120, we got 1,92,000 in both the columns. Second, because it is redeemable at premium, we'll get loss here. Debenture application and allotment account debit. Loss on issue of debentures account debit. To 9% debentures account. To securities premium reserve account, because issue bhi premium mein hua, that's why to securities premium reserve account. And to premium on redemption of debentures account. Amount, how will you put? Debenture application and allotment account, same, that is issued price 1,92,000. Loss on issue will be 16,000. How we got 16,000? This 10 rupees जो extra हम premium pay करेंगे, 10 rupees into 1,600, we got 16,000. To 9% debentures account, face value 1,600 into 100 rupees, 1,60,000. Securities premium reserve account, कितना extra में issue है 20 rupees, so 20 into 1,600 we got 32,000. To premium on redemption of debentures account 16,000, the same value which we have written in front of loss. Alright, 10 rupees extra आपने पे किया, वो आपका premium on redemption of debentures में आएगा. 1,600 into 10 rupees, we got 16,000. Next is Hina Limited issued 2,009% debentures of ₹100 each at a discount of 6%, redeemable at par. Discount given 6%. 6% of 100 rupees is 6 rupees. Discount you will subtract, so 100 minus 6 rupees is 94. That means debentures issued at ₹94. Redeemable at par, that means 100. Redeemable at ₹100. So journal entry, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. 2,000 into issued price 94, 1,88,000. Second entry, debenture application and allotment account debit. Discount on issue of debentures account debit to 9% debentures account. Here it is. First entry, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. 2,000 into 94, we got 1,88,000. Second entry, debenture application and allotment account debit 1,88,000. Discount on issue of debentures account debit 12,000. How we got this 12,000? 6 rupees. That is the discount amount into 2,000 number of debentures. We got 12,000. To 9% debentures account 2 lakh. That's all for today. This topic is completed now. Any doubt in any of the question, you can ask through my personal window. Practice more and more questions of this topic, as this is the most important topic from exams point of view. And also the scoring one. Questions from this topic can be asked for 4 to 6 marks. Alright, so practice more to get the concept clear.